The how, when and why of brushing baby teeth. Brushing your teeth is not the same as brushing your little one's teeth, is it? You have to be tenfold more careful and gentle and whatnot. There are numerous considerations that you may or may not know about when this new responsibility is passed out upon you. However, do not think for even a moment that you are alone in welcoming your baby's teeth, because we have in store for you the perfect set of recommendations and facts that will make your journey as easy as putting toothpaste on a brush. When is the right time to start brushing your baby's teeth? Teething age. There is no rigid timeline as to when a baby should get his or her first tooth. Some babies start teething by the end of their 4th month, while some get their first tooth by the 7th or 8th month. However, there is no reason for you to delay your little one's oral hygiene maintenance till they get a full set of teeth. When to start? Some parents start their baby's oral care routine even before they develop any teeth, by cleaning their little one's gums with a clean washcloth or using finger brushes to remove any bacteria. In case you do want a more precise answer as to when you should really start taking your infant's oral hygiene more seriously, you can do it regularly once your baby starts consuming solid foods. Why do you need to brush your baby's pearls? You might understand the importance of good oral hygiene, but your baby does not understand it yet. It will benefit both you and your child if they inculcate the habit of brushing their teeth early in their childhood. Some parents make the mistake of leaving bottles in the mouth of their babies for long periods. Such habits promote tooth decay in the children. Yes, it can happen. Moreover, tooth decay in little ones can interfere with their nutrition and speaking abilities. If your baby has already started teething, be on the lookout for signs like white or brown spots, pits on their teeth, or any such out of the ordinary symptom. These signs can be indicative of an oral health problem, and you may have to schedule a visit to your pediatrician. How to clean your baby's toothless gum. Your baby's toothless gum needs an appropriate number of cleanings as well. Experts recommend cleaning your baby's gum with a clean washcloth dipped in water or finger brush with water. Do this process after feeding to keep your baby's gums healthy. Make sure that the finger brush you are using is either made of soft silicone or rubber, else you might hurt your little one. Cleaning your baby's new teeth. Before your baby can brush their teeth, you have to be very gentle while brushing their newly formed teeth. Get a brush that has 3 rows of bristles at most and put toothpaste with the amount of rice grain on it. Make the brush damp before using it, so the bristles soften up. Clean the front part and back part of every tooth in a circular motion. If your baby has only 2 teeth on the upper or the lower jaw, do not just brush the teeth, gently brush your baby's jaw too. Keep showing them the technique of spitting out and encourage them to do so whenever you brush them. Let your baby take the brush in their own hands if they insist on it. But keep an eye on what they are doing so they don't hurt themselves. Brushing a fussy baby's teeth. You might have to choose a different approach if your baby is fretting about getting their teeth cleaned. Why are they resisting? Most babies are fussy when they are teething and might resist if you try to clean their jaw. Their jaws are also tender and sore during this time, making them extra sensitive. During this period, clean your baby's jaw with a clean and damp cloth instead of using a brush. Distract them. Distraction is one of the most useful tricks to get things done with babies. Sing them a song or put up a little act while brushing their teeth. Doing something funny might even make it easier to open their mouth since they would already be laughing. Brush with them. Brushing in front of your baby makes them think that it is something important and it motivates them to do it too. Minding fluoride. Fluoride content in toothpaste helps in fighting off cavities. So it is nothing to worry about, even if your little one swallows it in minute amounts. However, it is better to start using toothpaste only when your baby gets their first tooth. Remember to monitor the amounts of toothpaste your baby is swallowing. Takeaway. Parents, with this, our baby oral hygiene session comes to an end. We hope we helped you come across some useful facts regarding your baby's brushing routine. Keep counting on us to bring you more such insightful content in the future. That's all from us today. We want you to know that your voice is important to us. So please leave a comment below. If you are new here, then click the bell icon for notifications of our new videos and subscribe to our channel.